In a candid admission, Israel's Minister of Military Affairs, Yoav Gallant, has acknowledged the significant shortcomings and intelligence failures of the Israeli military during the Gaza conflict that began on October 7. Speaking at a ceremony on Tuesday, Gallant highlighted the substantial toll the war has taken on Israel, particularly in the heavily besieged Gaza Strip. The difficult war took the Israeli military by surprise and we paid a heavy price, Gallant stated. He emphasized that the war with Palestinian resistance movements has inflicted severe damage on Israel, resulting in high casualties and significant strategic setbacks. Gallant vowed that these painful failures would be thoroughly analyzed, with lessons learned to shape future military strategies. Gallant stressed the importance of understanding how Palestinian resistance forces have developed their defense and combat capabilities over the past decade. He pointed to these advancements as a key factor in the failure of Israeli intelligence and operational strategies that led to the current conflict. This war, launched on October 7, caught the Israeli military off guard, leading to a costly and protracted engagement in Gaza. Gallant's remarks come in the wake of significant political upheaval in Israel. 2 days prior, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu dissolved the 6-member war cabinet following the withdrawal of his principal rival Benny Gantz. Gantz, who left the cabinet more than a week ago, accused Netanyahu of mismanaging the conflict, which he described as a genocidal war against Gaza. The war cabinet, formed on October 11, 2023, was established shortly after the onset of the conflict, which began when Hamas launched the surprise Operation Al-Aqsa Storm. This operation was a response to Israel's long-standing and intensified violence against Palestinians. Izzat al-Rishq, a member of the Hamas political bureau, asserted that the Palestinian resistance had effectively caused the dissolution of the Israeli war cabinet after 8 months of warfare. The conflict has been devastating, with the Israeli offensive resulting in over 37,300 Palestinian deaths, predominantly among women and children. Gallant's admission of failure underscores the significant challenges and costs Israel faces as it continues its military operations in Gaza. As the conflict drags on, the need for strategic reassessment and political resolution becomes increasingly urgent.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.